On May 1st, 2026, deputies respond to Fort Lauderdale Hollywood International Airport after several travelers report a man getting into a heated altercation with his wife. According to witnesses, the man had gone to a nearby bar for a few drinks, but not long after, his behavior changed, and he allegedly became aggressive toward his wife. Other passengers waiting for their flights quickly became concerned and called for help. But even after deputies arrive and repeatedly try to keep the couple separated, the man continues trying to approach his wife and refuses to leave the airport, and getting him to cooperate will prove far more difficult than expected. Here's what happened.
I'm not even mad at you. I ain't mad at you. I ain't mad at that.
What's up?
Ella está sentada allá, la del cabello rubio, and he's the one that is talking to the lady.
I don't know what's going on.
So, yo tampoco no, la que vino, un pasajero vino y me dijo, hey, the guy is treating her bad, he's pulling her
The girl that's sitting right here with the blonde hair?
over there.
With the blonde hair?
Yeah. Y después él se la llevó, la volvió a gritar. Otro pasajero vino y dijo, la está tratando súper mal. They went to the bar, pero la señora no se quiso quedar tranquila y la señora fue donde ellos y le dijo, oh, don't treat her like that, y lo separó y la trajo de ella acá y lo dejó él allá. So no sé.
Alright, so the girl with the curly hair. Or the
No,
one that's
not
sitting
curly hair, baby. La que está con el jacket
all the way at the
allá,
end,
sí.
by herself.
Porque la señora la separó, le dijo, ella vente acá y lo dejó él. Y él está hablando con una muchacha. No, yo no me...
Touch him.
I just understand.
Relax. You
I'm
can't
just,
approach her.
you hot, bro. I can't
No,
have this
she
right now.
good. Me and her good.
Well, we talking to her.
You can't approach her.
Yeah. We good.
All right, well,
That's what I'm saying.
what I'm going
Listen,
to do is
listen.
you're going to separate yourself from this situation right now.
Listen,
Otherwise,
it's not
you're
even
going to...
a situation. Somebody told y'all what's going on, but they don't know what's going on. That's why I'm asking him why is he touching me, because you get what I'm saying? You don't even know what's going
I
on.
told you to stop. You can't continue.
I stopped, gang. If I would have
Stop
kept
and I put my
going,
hand out. That's why you stopped. Right?
if I was kept going, I would have kept going. You had to use force. I just said I didn't
Everybody
touch
uses
you.
no force. We're going to
You
use
know what I'm
force, you know
saying?
it.
No, I didn't say
All
you
right,
use
so
force.
Stop. You're on body camera, brother. We got everything.
I'm
from
not
the jump.
tripping by no
All right,
body
so
camera.
stop.
I'm saying, what I'm telling you is, y'all coming to defuse a situation. Y'all police, sheriffs, no disrespect.
Right, so we talking to
Y'all
her.
don't know what's going on
Okay,
though.
but
So y'all just
we have to
acting.
be able to talk to both parties, right?
Right.
We can't talk to her when you're on her neck. So we can
I'm not
talk
on
to you
her
over
neck,
there.
gang.
That's where you're going over there. That's where you're going over. You can't be. We can't get.
What I did is what I.
You're not listening,
I'm
right?
going to pause this for a second. You're dictating a tempo that you ain't going to win today.
It's not about winning.
Listen, I'm asking you politely to stop walking to a place that we're comfortable talking to you. Otherwise, you're going to be escorted out in handcuffs. I'm offering you an opportunity to be an adult and make a conscious decision.
Listen,
make the right decision.
What did you put me in handcuffs for? Because you saying so? Like, as a man. No, as a man.
This is an airport.
I'm not doing nothing to you to harm you physically. I'm not into threatening you or nothing. I'm asking you as a man. You can tell me what you said. No. You talk.
asked me, I'm answering.
I'm asking you. I didn't do nothing to harm you. You can't just put nobody in handcuffs
Gotta let him
because
answer.
you feel
You
like
ask
it.
questions, gotta let him answer, right?
Ready?
Yeah.
Okay, this is an airport. It's a critical infrastructure.
Right.
What we say goes here. This is not the streets. If we tell you you're going to leave, you're going to leave. That's it. End of story.
And I respect that.
Okay, so we came here because of the situation between you and
Somebody
her.
called. It was
Okay,
never no
It
situation.
doesn't matter. We have
Somebody
to get to the
told
bottom
you.
of it.
The Spanish ladies called you. I already
Right.
know. Okay, they told you that we
Are
was
you done?
I'm great.
Okay,
We
so
was always
now
great.
I'm asking you. And I'm not even asking you. I am demanding. You walk over there so we can talk.
Yeah, we can walk and talk.
We're on your pace now. Let's go.
Now you talking disrespectful.
I'll back up and talk to you.
Yeah, you talking disrespectful. I never disrespected you. You get what I'm saying? That's what I'm saying. I never disrespected you. But I'm a man too. Like police, no police, we all still all grown ass men at the end of the day.
Like a man.
Yeah, you are. You are. You are. You are.
No, I haven't done that flight yet.
That's what I was trying to tell you. I wasn't here. Somebody called you. That's why I just had a whole conversation with the lady. I was not even over here. Me and the lady was talking. I see y'all talking to my lady, so I'm making sure she's okay.
Yeah.
The police is talking to my lady. You know what I'm saying?
And when we tell you hold on and you keep walking,
But that's not your lady. Like I'm gonna tell y'all some real shit. You get what I'm saying, though?
But what Harris's wife tells deputies paints an entirely different picture of what led to the disturbance.
You get what I'm saying? Nobody tells you when to talk to your lady. You get what I'm saying? Somebody called you, okay. Like I just talked to this young lady right here. Ask her. Me and her just had a whole 20-minute conversation about it. She was one of the people that reported, and she told me straight to my face. She said, I reported you. I said, that's okay. I told her that. We can walk over there. She can come over. Ma'am.
We'll talk for a second.
Yeah. I'm talking about her. She told me that tomorrow. I said, that's okay. You reported me. The lady told her, the lady said that I pushed her. I never pushed her. Ask her. And that's what got me upset, because the lady that reported to y'all told I pushed her. That's a force. I never use force. You get what I'm saying? So somebody say you're lying on me, for one.
So supposedly, where did this happen? This lie.
Where did what happened? The people that called you. We was right here. We was having the we was talking. You feel what I'm saying? Yeah. And she started talking in front of me. When I touch your hand, don't think I'm trying to hurt you. You get what I'm saying? I'm telling y'all, I'm gonna do what I did, but I don't want you to think. I said, come on. Because she started talking to me in front of people. I didn't want to talk to her. I pulled her.
Separate yourself.
Yeah, come on, let's go talk over here. The ladies, they said they didn't like it. They said you pulled her. The other lady told the people I pushed her. I said, why you say I pushed? She said I used the wrong words. I told her to her face, I said, you can't say that. That's a force. I'm a man. I'm not scared. I'm not. It's no disrespect to y'all. I respect y'all. You feel what I'm saying? But I'm a man at the end of the day. You get what I'm saying? We all men. We all men. Take your badges off. We men. Y'all got ladies. Nobody's gonna tell me when and when not to talk to my woman. You feel what I'm saying? Like, I never disrespect. I never hurt her. I never did nothing. But I'm not scared to talk to y'all. Y'all got confronted. I seen y'all. She said, yeah. They over there talking to her. That's why I came back over there. You get what I'm saying? He said, hold up. I said, I didn't touch you. Because I didn't. Because I wouldn't. You get what I'm saying? But at the end of the day, I'm a man. I can talk to my lady how I want to talk to my lady. If somebody don't like it, they don't have to like it.
But not during while we're trying to investigation.
No, right. No, I agree.
Makes sense, right?
I'm saying everybody don't even have to like it. You get what I'm saying? They allowed to call y'all. I'm not mad at them for calling y'all. You get what I'm saying? But one thing for sure, too, concerned, I ain't touching. I ain't heard her. I didn't push her. And anybody that said it, y'all got big cameras right there. You get what I'm saying? Big ass cameras. That's why I said she'll tell you something different than what happened. It's crazy.
We don't know. That's what we're trying to have.
She'll never tell you that. You get what I'm saying? So I'm walking over there because I see police talking to my woman.
Do me a favor. Let me find out over there.
I don't want to talk in front of everybody. Like I told her, she said they called the police on you. She said, I'm one of the ones. One of the ladies that called you, me and her had a 20-minute conversation. Ask her. I said, I'm not tripping about the police. Whatever I'm wrong for, I'm wrong. I'm a man. You feel me?
Yeah.
I'm a man. If y'all pin me down and cuff me right here, I don't even go to jail. But I ain't scared about that. Because I know what I did and what I did not do. You dig what I'm saying? I would never harm my lady.
Listen, all that's unnecessary. You are correct. You guys are good. All right.
I would never harm her. Nobody even got a trip about that. We've been together 10 years. Ask her. I would never harm her. I did pull her. I pulled her towards me to tell her, I said, let's walk and talk. If the ladies ain't like that, I ain't mad at them. You feel what I'm saying? I'm not mad at the ladies. But one thing I didn't do is harm her, hurt her, or nothing. I would never.
We got it.
And if it's still an offense, take me to jail.
We're crystal clear on it. We're good.
Take me. I ain't tripping. When y'all all got ladies, y'all know how I get. We men at the end of the day. Your lady talking to you in front of other people, you don't like it. For one, you talking about my parents in front of men. I said, let's walk and talk.
Oh, your parents are here?
No.
Sorry, I misunderstood.
She was talking about them. I'm not saying she was wrong, but she talking about them. It's still right or wrong, it's still touching. You get what I'm saying? You're talking about my parents in front of grown-ass men. If these men was ignorant, then y'all would have been taking me to jail because they wasn't respectful men, that we would have been fighting because I was
talking about the jail thing. That's all that's
well, you the one that started talking to jail to me.
Well, I have to let you know that there's consequences, right?
There's consequences for everything in life.
So that's what I'm trying to let you know. As a
I
grown man,
respect
I
you,
want
bro.
you to make the right choice.
Yeah.
By now, deputies have seen enough for themselves. They believe Harris is heavily intoxicated and in no condition to board a flight. And after everything that has happened, they make it clear that he will not be flying out of the airport that day. But getting him to accept that decision will prove much harder than they expect.
No. Listen to me. Bro, listen, I'm gonna tell you something. I own a business. I have to go home. I'm gonna show you. So you won't think I'm lying to you. I own a business. I have to go home. I don't have no choice. I already missed my flight. That's why we even got into it. We had a flight at 1 o'clock. I just paid extra money.
You're talking through me. We are not going to get nowhere if you don't stop talking for a moment. All right? What we are going to do is we're going to allow you to go ahead and rebook a flight another day. Okay?
I cannot do that.
It's not an option.
No, it gotta be an option.
It's not an option.
Listen. Can you come talk to me? I'm telling you, it's not an option, bro. For me, it's not an option. You telling me, like, I understand, I respect your authority. I'm not going to
What's
your
going to happen
authority.
is you're going to leave the airport. Okay, you can fly out of another airport if you want.
I cannot do that. I already booked 2 flights today, bro. I missed 2 flights. I done spent $600 extra on me and my lady. I have a business to run.
You're not
The
understanding what
decision's
he's
been
saying.
made already. Okay?
Well, get my lady so
No.
she knows.
No,
She needs to know what's going on. My phone is dead. No, she don't know. My phone is dead, and you telling me I gotta leave the airport and we together.
Yes.
It's not nothing against me and her. It's not nothing.
No, she's proceeding.
She not proceeding. How you trying to tell me, like as a man, though? Listen.
Make a poor choice here, bro.
No, you making a poor choice, gang. You telling me to tell me that I'm not allowed to fly with my lady. You feel what I'm saying?
He's refusing to leave. So,
For what?
He can't stay.
he's going to be the voice of reason here.
All right, listen. Well, can you tell my lady that?
We
She
did.
try to come here?
No.
I can't have you guys do that.
I don't have no phone, is what I'm telling you. I need to talk to her myself.
You got to charge him.
It's
So
You
you're
can
gonna
roar it.
talk about it.
Don't
No.
start. Don't start.
Hey, we're gonna cuff you up and you're gonna go to jail.
wanna go?
We're not doing that.
I mean, your choice.
Because you're gonna be charged with disturbance.
You'll be giving decisions here.
for talking to her.
You're not talking to me right now. Okay?
Why you? I didn't even do it. Why you act like you
Let's go,
tough with
man.
me? I didn't even do it.
Your hands behind your back.
I even do
We gotta walk out just like I just did. Okay?
These
Alright, let's go.
Bro, you got to listen. You got to listen. That's
But
it.
what am I you taking the girl for, man? This is not to you. You know what I'm saying? Like, you're not being a man at the end of the day. I'm telling you some real shit. I done spent 600 extra. You don't got to drag this one. I don't want to do it. You know, I'm going to talk to God. I ain't even trying to, I ain't even going to get this thing. You're not being no man at the end of the day. You're a man, bro. I didn't hurt nobody, harm nobody. I didn't touch nobody. I didn't do nothing. So you sitting there embarrassing me, acting like I'm a fucking clown.
Embarrassing yourself. You're yelling at everybody. You called the scene. Everybody before you.
I don't care about those short and
Embarrassing yourself. Shit,
you chose to be here. You told what? I never did nothing. We had a whole conversation. You told me I was good. Then you cut me and I still didn't do nothing to you. I never showed no force. I didn't do nothing. It was not 9 times. It was twice. And I told you why I couldn't leave. I just already spent $600 extra on tickets. I missed 2 flights already today. You get what I'm saying? I have a business to run. Okay? You're not even hearing what I'm saying. I heard you got a business to run. You got a business to run, right? Right? That's like me telling you can't fly out. For nothing. You didn't do nothing. I didn't do nothing. You act like I'm a man, bro. I ain't scared. I ain't do nothing. Nothing to you. Nothing to you, nothing to him, nothing to him. And y'all all know that. So going to jail and all of that.
Ultimately, 34-year-old Harris was charged with felony trespass on critical infrastructure, disorderly intoxication, and disorderly conduct. He was later released from custody after spending 3 days in jail. Eventually, Harris pleaded no contest to the felony trespass and intoxication charges. The judge withheld a formal conviction and sentenced him to 12 months of probation for the felony charge and 6 months of probation for disorderly intoxication, with both sentences running at the same time. He was also given credit for the 3 days he had already spent in jail. The remaining disorderly conduct charge did not move forward. Harris was also ordered to stay away from Fort Lauderdale Hollywood Airport unless he had a valid reason to be there or a ticket to travel. The case was later closed with Harris serving probation. Thanks for watching. Be sure to like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.